Welcome to HelloSend, your messaging hub that seamlessly connects with Salesforce to power smarter customer conversations. Let's get started with HelloSend. First, open the menu and search for HelloSend. Click on it. Click Connect with Salesforce. Allow the necessary access. This gives HelloSend permission to sync your data. And just like that, you're in. HelloSend supports both WhatsApp and SMS messaging. For now, let's connect with SMS. Choose your preferred service and enter your credentials. Then, click Authorize to complete the connection. You're now successfully connected. And then select the number you'll be using for messaging. Once that's done, head back to the home screen. You'll find the sidebar where you can access all screens. Click Inbox, then search by name or number. If the contact already exists, it'll appear below. Otherwise, click the Add button to create a new one. That's it. You're all set to send messages and engage your customers freely. Let's see how to create a campaign to reach multiple customers at once using HelloSend. Start by clicking on Contacts, then choose your desired filters. From here, choose the contacts you'd like to include in your campaign. Next, click on HelloSend campaign. Your selected contacts will automatically appear in the To field. Now, verify or choose your From number. You can now select a pre-approved message template or simply type your own message directly in the text field. After composing your message, choose how you'd like to send it. Send it immediately or pick custom date to schedule it later. If you choose a custom time, just set the date and time that works for you. That's it. You're all set to send your campaign. Click Launch. To view how your campaign is performing, click on View Report. From the table, select the campaign you want to track. Here, you'll see real-time insights and detailed performance metrics for your campaign. Whether it's a single chat or a full-scale campaign, HelloSend makes every conversation count. Thanks for using HelloSend.